Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word fixed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I need to have my car fixed because it won't start. Fixed in this context means repaired or restored to proper working condition. It implies that the car is broken and needs to be repaired by a mechanic. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.